$258 in 24 minutes. As you can see, guys, I logged into my affiliate account and the account was pretty much chilling. There was nothing too much going on. I had some baby commissions kind of going on here. And then all of a sudden I turned on traffic and bam, $258 in affiliate commissions. It was like commission, 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 commission. We just love it. Now, in this video today, I want to talk a little bit about traffic and a little bit about squeeze pages, but most importantly, I want to tease out a model that I've been using in my business for some time. And this model, I want to actually expose it to you guys because this is truly the way that you can actually start generating affiliate commissions on a perpetual routine basis. We're talking about everyday basis. And this is really how the gurus make a lot of their money, because it's not in just selling one product, it's setting up this hub model. And I'm gonna tease it out for you guys today and kind of show you what it looks like and how it all works. And then in future videos, we'll definitely be diving deeper into this hub model and how you can actually get access to different systems yourself to generate daily affiliate commissions. Now, if this is your very first time to the channel, my name is John McNeil, and on this channel, we teach you all about affiliate marketing and making money online. If that interests you, go ahead and subscribe to the channel and join the family. Hit that like button because you know your boy's gonna be bringing value and bangers every single day. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump on to my laptop. We're gonna go through some traffic, we're gonna go through some squeeze pages, and then I'm actually going to go through this hub model that I really want you guys to understand this concept. All right, guys, let's first go ahead and touch on the traffic that I've been using with my affiliate marketing business. And if you've been following me, you guys know that I've been utilizing solo ads in my actual affiliate marketing business to get traffic, leads, and sales. So what I really want to show you guys is two traffic sources that I've been using. The first one is Traffic Blade. They actually send a lot of great quality traffic for me, and I've been making a lot of sales with this. Basically, you're going to go to the link in the description, which I'll have for you guys. And once you click on that link, you're going to click on Get Traffic. You want to purchase 100% tier 1 traffic through Traffic Blade because the other package only delivers 70% tier 1 countries. So you definitely want to try to stick with the 100% tier 1 countries here. And I can actually give you guys a coupon code that's going to give you a 22% discount. So for instance, if you wanted the 500 visitors, you can go ahead and click on that. And then once you get to the checkout page, I'm going to give you this discount code that's going to give you 22% off. You go here, you see that I have 500 tier 1 visitors. You go to this coupon code and you're gonna type in JON735, JON735. You're gonna click on apply coupon. And then you can see that that took that package from $365 down to $284 for premium tier 1 traffic. And again, this is the traffic that I'm getting to actually make sales in my business. The second traffic source I want to show you is a traffic vendor. His name is Benjamin Go. He's been around for a very long time. He's built a huge list of about 300,000 people. And so basically you can go to the link in the description and you can go down and you can check out his packages. He has a lot of information about his solo ads there. And he has two different packages as well. He has 95% tier 1 countries, as well as you can pick 100% USA buyer traffic only. And he has a multitude of packages from 100 clicks all the way up to 1,000 clicks. And I will say that if you pick a season level package or above, whether you get the tier 1 traffic or you get the USA only traffic, you can get a free email marketing course. So for all season or above buyers, you get a free access to his email marketing crash course. And these are some of the things that you'll learn in that crash course. So just keep that in mind as you go to this page and you pick out your packages. So those are two great solo ad vendors that you guys can utilize right now to get traffic, leads, and sale in your affiliate marketing business. So next, how am I actually capturing these leads? I'm actually using a page builder called Lead Pages. Lead Pages has been around for a very long time, and you can get a 14-day free trial with Lead Pages. So you can just try it out and see if this is for you. You have 14 days to try it out and see if you would like to keep this service. So at Lead Pages, I have a link in the description. You want to toggle over to the monthly plans, and basically their standard monthly plan is $49 a month. So this is what I pay to get Lead Pages every month, and this is how I capture the leads. And when I capture the leads, they are entered into my autoresponder, in which I can communicate with these individuals on a day-to-day basis, basically bringing them back to my products and services and things that I want to sell. So it's very important that you have some sort of landing page or lead page builder, and I utilize Lead Pages just because it's inexpensive and it's very user-friendly for people that aren't tech savvy. I actually did a video where I show you where I'm generating a 50% opt-in rate with this particular page that I created with Lead Pages, and I'll have that video in the description of this video. You guys can check it out. And if you actually want that actual page that's generating 50% or above, if you get Lead Pages and contact me, I'll give you that page absolutely free so that you can generate as many leads as possible through your Lead Pages account. So last but not least, I wanted to take a little bit of time to talk about this hub model. And I really feel like this hub model is important because I really feel everyone should be utilizing this in their online business to make daily commissions. So let me go ahead and break down how the hub model actually works. So many times you could have a core product that you're trying to sell. You can have a business opportunity, an MLM, maybe there's a tool that you want to sell, maybe there's a specific service that you want to sell. And a lot of times what people do is they'll go out and they'll get traffic or leads, and then they'll send that traffic all the way straight to this core product. And sometimes you get buyers, sometimes you don't, but you're basically a one-trick pony in that you don't have anything else to sell. So you only get one chance to actually make a commission. So if I'm bringing in leads here and I'm just really directing them to this core product or this business opportunity, well, I get one opportunity to make a sale, and then that's just it. But with this hub model, you can actually have multiple opportunities to make sales, and you can have multiple income streams. And this is what I want to show you guys here in this video. So what I like to do is I like to bring the leads in, and I want to offer them some sort of free training. So just for hypothetical sakes, let's say that I want to train them on how to make money with email marketing, and that's going to help them build a business online and sell products and make money online. So as I bring the leads in, instead of taking them straight to my core product or the business opportunity or the MLM that I want to teach them, I want to build up some goodwill with these people, and I want to give them some value up front so that later on they'll be more likely to purchase products and services from me when I give value first. So as I bring the leads in, the leads are coming in from the solo ads or however you're generating your leads, and then you bring them into like a training hub, right? And in that training, if I'm going to be teaching them how to utilize email marketing to make money, well, the first thing I can say is you're going to need a domain, because you got to have a domain address, web presence to even email from. So the first thing you got to do is go over to XYZ site and purchase a domain. And this could be an affiliate link, and then you can get an affiliate commission for someone purchasing a $10 domain. The next thing you're going to need if you're going to be doing email marketing, obviously you're going to have a page builder, right? So I can give them some training about how do you create a page builder. I can give them a template. I can give them examples of templates that have high opt-in rates. All of these things, you're giving them this information, you're giving them this value, but hey, you have to go ahead and purchase a landing page builder in order to build your list, right? And I can even give them templates and say, go ahead and get this page builder, and I'll give you the templates that's going to make it much easier for you to go ahead and get started, because I'm giving you the proven templates that are going to give you the higher rates. So that person could go through and they can buy the landing page builder, and that's another affiliate commission for you. Along with that, if you're doing solo ads, or you're doing any type of paid ads, you want to do tracking. So I can show them how I utilize a tracking tool to track my advertisements, so I know what's working and I know what's not working. and I can have another affiliate commission for that. And then lastly, I can have an affiliate commission for some sort of traffic source. Maybe it's a solo ad vendor, and I can make commissions there. So before I even introduce them to my core product or any other things that I want to purchase from a core perspective, I've already built up a lot of value through this free training and teaching them how to do stuff. I've given them tools, I've given them good training. And some of these leads that are coming through, they're buying some of these tools, they're buying some of these services before they even get to my product. And just out of reciprocity, a lot of these leads probably aren't making money. And I've showed them how to make money with email marketing. And now I'm going to introduce them to my business opportunity, in which they can make thousands of dollars with this business opportunity. And I'm going to give them all the benefits, and then they can make a decision on if they're going to buy this core product. But a lot of these leads will come through and they will buy this core product because you've given them this great free training and you've helped them out. And so just from a reciprocity standpoint, you're going to find people that's going to just buy this core product anyways, which that was your initial intention. But you're giving yourself 5 different income streams versus just one. If I take the traffic and I send them directly here, then I only get one chance to get one commission. But if I take them through this free training, I have 5 opportunities to create income. So again, this is how you start setting up your business to where you can actually make multiple streams of income on a day-to-day basis. Now, obviously you'll have leads that'll come in and maybe they'll just participate in this free training and you'll make commissions from them, and maybe they won't buy your core product. You maybe have leads that'll come through that won't do any of this stuff, but maybe they still buy into your core product. And maybe you'll have people that'll buy into the core product and maybe a tracking tool, or the core product and maybe this traffic that you're recommending right here. Again, these are just opportunities that you're giving yourself to make commissions. So with this hub model, guys, it's not like a one-trick pony when you can only make one commission. It's a system, it's a whole hub in which you can make multiple commissions. And this is what we're going to be teaching you guys going forward. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I hope you guys are excited about this new hub model that I'm going to be teaching and talking about a lot on this channel. Make sure you stay tuned, lock into this channel, make sure you subscribe, guys, because I'm going to be bringing out a lot more content and videos about how you can actually get these type of hubs and systems set up for yourself. So if you have any questions, make sure you leave it in the comment section, make sure you hit that like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video.